Bitcoin recently made headlines by climbing back above $61,000, and this move has everyone in the crypto world paying close attention. The reason why this price jump is so interesting has a lot to do with how Bitcoin is connected to the strength of the US dollar and the overall flow of money in the global economy. Let's start with the US Dollar Index, or DXY. This index measures how strong the US dollar is compared to other major currencies. Lately, the DXY has been dropping to its lowest levels of the year. Why does this matter for Bitcoin? Well, when the dollar weakens, investors often look for other places to put their money, and Bitcoin is one of those alternatives. So, a weaker dollar usually leads to a stronger Bitcoin. Another key factor is global liquidity, which is essentially the total amount of money that's flowing around the world. This includes things like cash and checking and savings accounts that can be quickly accessed. Recently, global liquidity has been increasing, which is great news for Bitcoin. When there's more money available in the economy, people are more likely to invest in riskier assets like Bitcoin. In fact, historically, when global money supply increases by 10%, Bitcoin's price has tended to go up by about 40%. Now here's where it gets really interesting. The Federal Reserve, which is the central bank of the United States and controls interest rates, has been hinting that they might lower rates soon. Lower interest rates usually mean more money in the economy, which could further boost Bitcoin's price. However, the Fed hasn't made a final decision yet. Their chairman, Jerome Powell, is set to give an important speech soon, and his comments could have a big impact on what happens next with Bitcoin. If he suggests that rates will be cut, we could see Bitcoin continue to rise. On the other hand, if he hints that rates will stay the same or go up, Bitcoin might struggle to maintain its recent gains. Looking at the price charts, Bitcoin is currently in a critical spot. It recently broke through the $61,000 level, which is a good sign. If it can stay above this level, especially if it closes strongly at the end of the day, Bitcoin could keep moving up. The next big test would be to break through the price zone between $65,777 and $68,424. If it can do that, we might see Bitcoin head toward a new all-time high. However, there's always a risk. If Bitcoin falls back below $61,000, it could signal that the recent rally was just a temporary bounce. In that case, we could see Bitcoin drop further, especially if it falls below key support levels. If that happens, Bitcoin could head back down to the $52,398 level or even lower. In summary, Bitcoin's recent price action is being influenced by a mix of global money flows, the strength of the United States dollar, and the decisions being made by the Federal Reserve. As we wait for more clarity from Fed Chair Jerome Powell's upcoming speech, the cryptocurrency market could see some big moves in either direction. Bitcoin is at a critical juncture, and what happens next could set the stage for its future trajectory.